In this video, I'll show you how to screen mirror your Android phone to your Google TV quickly and easily. Step 1. Connect to the same Wi-Fi. Make sure your Android phone and Google TV are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Step 2. Open Google TV settings. On your Google TV, go to Settings by clicking the gear icon on the home screen. Step 3. Enable screen mirroring. Scroll down to Remotes and Accessories. Select Pair Remote or Accessory or Cast, depending on your model. Make sure screen mirroring or cast is enabled. Step 4. Start casting from your Android phone. On your Android phone, swipe down to open the Quick Settings panel. Tap on Cast, Screencast, or Smart View. The name varies by phone brand. Select your Google TV device from the list. Your phone screen will appear on your Google TV. Step 5. Stop casting. To stop mirroring, open the cast option again on your phone and tap Disconnect. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials.